Hello guys, today we're going to learn this topic, which is quadratic equation. In this video I'm going to show the main 4 type of question which normally asked during exam or any assignment. Hopefully this video can help you all in your study. Good luck. Question 1. Solve the following equation. We rewrite the equation here. We proceed to step 1, open the bracket by multiplication. Next, step 2, move all the value from right to left until the value is equal to 0. The final step, which is step 3, using the factorization. Do you know how the x equal to 3 over 5 and x equal to minus 2 form? We assume that 5x minus 3 is equal to 0, then we proceed the normal process. Same for x plus 2 is equal to 0. These two values can be obtained from calculator too. Question 2. A water rocket is launched from the platform. The height, h in meters, of the water rocket at times second after launch is h equal to negative 2t squared plus 3t plus 2. When does the water rocket hit the ground? This same as the previous question. We start with step 1, open the bracket by multiplication. No bracket for this question. The question give the keyword, when does the water rocket hit the ground? So we assume that h equals 0 when the water rocket hit the ground. We move to step 2, which is move all the value from right to left until the value is equal to 0. But for this question we have extra step. If the t-square has negative value, as a result we need multiple -1 for each number. The final step for this question, step 3, using the factorization. After done all the step we need to find proper answer. Since t equal to -1 over 2 was rejected and the water rocket hits the ground at e equal 2. So we accept t equal 2 as our answer. For question 3. Solve the following equation. For this type of question, we need to start by step 1, cross multiplication of the fraction. After the cross multiplication of the fraction, proceed to step 2, open the bracket by multiplication. Then step 3, move all the value from right to left until the value is equal to 0. After this process, step 4, using the factorization. And you will get the final answer. For question 4. The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeters more than its width and the area is 50 centimeters square. Find the length, width and the perimeter. For this question, step 1, we need to digest the information given above. For this question, we need to assume and let the width as a and the length as plus 5. From this question, we also know that the area of rectangle is 50 centimeters square. After know the information, we proceed to step 2, open the bracket by multiplication. Next, step 3, move all the value from right to left until the value is equal to 0. And the final step, which is step 4, using the factorization. From the answer we get, -10 centimeters is impossible as a length, so we use 5 centimeters as our x. Then, we insert or substitute the value of 5 into all x above. And we will get 5 centimeters as a width and 10 centimeters for the length. For the perimeter, we make sum of all length and width, which is 5 centimeters, plus 5 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters equal to 30 centimeters.